Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're staying safe and healthy. Today's video is a quick, fun one that I thought everyone could enjoy for a few minutes. I have a very quick reveal of an item that I actually purchased and received a few weeks ago. And additionally, I thought it would be fun to share with you some of the online shopping items that I have received since this stay-at-home began. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Isabel. I hope that you enjoy the video, and if you do, I hope that you will go ahead and click on the subscribe button down below and hit the bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's go ahead and get started. The quick unboxing. This is an item that I already own in another size. I decided that I really wanted to add this one to my collection. It is a little bit difficult to get, so my SA kept an eye out, and the moment that he got it, he went ahead and just called me, and I went ahead and purchased it. I do have a little backstory, but we're gonna get to that one afterwards. So this is the toiletry pouch in the size 26, and it has a couple of things inside like I mentioned. This one is made in Spain, and it is pretty much exactly the same as the one that I have in the size 15. As many of you know, these come in 3 sizes, the 15, the 19, which I do not own, and the 26. So I decided I really wanted this size to use in some of my larger bags, and luckily I was able to get my hands on it. So let me show you some of the online shopping that I did when Saks had their 25% off of beauty. I unfortunately missed the Nordstrom's 25% off sale for beauty. I was working very long hours and I just didn't even know what was going on. So it was pretty sad. But I did snag a couple of things at Saks, and I wanted to go ahead and share them with you. All right, so the first item is a repurchase, and this is the Lemare Moisturizing Cream. I actually love this, and I use this every night. I have very dry skin, and I use this at night. It is a very pricey, so I only buy it when it's on sale. So I picked this one up. And next item in my toiletry purse is this right here, and this was just, I've been wanting to get this for so long, but it was on sale, so I grabbed it. And this is the Chantecaille brush. This is called the Buff and Blur brush, and it's supposed to be used for their powders, which I absolutely love. So this is one of their finishing powders. I own about 3 of them, and so this is to be used with this. I did use it today and I love it. As a matter of fact, my friends, I am loving today's look. Let me know in your comments down below if you agree or if you don't agree. The next thing that I picked up is just total YouTube, because I have never purchased any eye palette from Mcgrath, and I did go ahead and pick it up. This was not on the Saks site. This was directly from the Mcgrath site. It was not on sale. I paid regular price. It actually came in this absolutely gorgeous box right here, beautiful. And the name of this palette is the Mothership 7, and it is the Divine Rose eyeshadow palette. Again, this is my first and only eyeshadow palette from her. I do use her foundation and I love it, and that's pretty much the only thing I have from Mcgrath. But let me show you this. This is what the palette looks like, and it has stunning colors. I actually use them today to create the look that I have, and I'm in love with it. I actually watched a YouTuber, Abby Bliss White, and she went ahead and had purchased it And I just thought it's such a beautiful palette. I love the pinks, and of course I love this, so I went ahead and bought it, and actually I don't regret it. I think it's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I'm really, really happy. I don't see myself purchasing palette after palette from Mcgrath, but I am happy that I picked this one up. Next inside our wonderful Toiletry 26 is this, and this is new to me. I was very excited, and I've already tried it and I love it. And this is the Sirat Beauty Lash Curler. And you're probably going, well, who cares? Well, I figured I would show you. I haven't curled my eyelashes in months because I hate it. I have tried tons of curlers and they hurt, they're small, they're this, they're just, I don't know, they're a pain. And to be quite frank, I just don't have time for that. My life is not this glamorous YouTuber life. My life is a regular life. So I picked this one up, and this one, for whatever the reason, just kind of fits my eye shape really, really nicely, and I'm really, really enjoying it. It came in this really pretty little pouch, and I was excited because I also got it on sale. It's all good when it's on sale. Another thing that I picked up is this dual eye pencil sharpener. This is from Chantecaille. Again, it was on sale. I picked it up. I love having 2, 3, and 4 of those. I also picked this up, which is from Chantecaille, and this is called the Camouflage Stylo in the number 2 shade. I actually have not tried it, and I've never used it, so I am excited to try this. I will let you know how we go. Again, 25% off. I also picked up from Chantecaille because I do love that line. This right here, and this is the Brow Lift Eclat Pencil. And this is what it looks like. And you just use this up here to kind of lighten your brow. I have not tried this yet. I still have one from, I don't remember what brand I have it, and I'm using it and I like it. There's nothing wrong with it. I just grabbed this one while it was on sale. All of the Chantecaille items came in these really pretty purple boxes, but I didn't want to waste your time showing you a box. And last but not least, we have this Chanel nail polish. This was not on sale, and I actually picked this up about 2 weeks ago, and it is number 739. It's called Mirage. It's a beautiful, beautiful color, and whenever we can get back to going to our beauty parlor, then I will go ahead and get my nails done. I am really terrible at trying to do it myself. And that is it, my friends. Let me share the little backstory on the Toiletry Pouch. And for those of you that only want made in France, I do want to share this with you. And there's nothing wrong with wanting made in France. A lot of my items are made in France. So my essay called me because they received the Toiletry 26. I went ahead and paid for it, and when I went to pick it up, I noticed that the bottom was very, very rounded. As you know, these toiletry pouches really have a squarish finish, and they are supposed to stand up. They're supposed to stand up and not fall down. The one that I originally purchased was made in France. It looked beautiful. However, this here was totally rounded, and there was no way to have it stand up like this without it toppling over. And I was like, no, this can't be. I told him, listen, Robert, who is my SA, and I love him. I said, I need another one. I said, this one is not right. There's something wrong with it. How can it be toppling over? It just would not stand up. Made in France, looked gorgeous. So he went ahead and basically said, okay, let me see what I can do. Luckily for me, he was able to put his hands on this one, made in Spain, but standing up straight and not following over. I don't know what happened with the other one. I'm not sure if somebody else bought it. I don't know if they sent it back, but all I can tell you is It was made in France and it was just toppling over. So my friends, that's it for today. This one here is a new addition to my toiletry pouch little collection. I will let you know if I like it or if I don't like it. Let's see how much I use it. As you know, for travel, I use my Truce collection, my vintage Truce collection, and I love them. But this one seems to be something that you can use in your Neverfulls and your bigger bags, so we shall see. Last thing that I purchased, 25% also, was this Lancome eye makeup remover. I absolutely love this. It was on sale. I got the huge size, and when I do my empties, I will show you why I ran back to this, which is really what I have used pretty much all of my life. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I distracted you for a couple of minutes. Leave me all your comments and questions down below, and I will see you soon. Bye.